Manifestation is the art of bringing your desires into reality through focused thought and intention. By clarifying your wishes and visualizing your ideal connection, you harness the power of your mind. This positive mindset attracts the energy you seek, shaping your experiences and drawing your crush closer. Setting clear intentions is vital for effective manifestation. By articulating specific traits and qualities you desire in a crush, you create a focused energy. Write down your intentions or visualize them regularly to strengthen your clarity. This focused approach enhances your ability to attract the right romantic connection. Visualization techniques allow you to strengthen your emotional connection with your crush. Close your eyes and imagine joyful scenarios together, envisioning conversations, laughter, and intimacy. This mental practice cultivates a deeper emotional bond, aligning your energy with the relationship you desire and making it more attainable in reality. Positive affirmations are powerful tools for attracting your crush by fostering self-love and confidence. Repeating affirmations such as, "I am deserving of love," or "I attract meaningful connections" helps reshape your mindset. This practice aligns your energy with your desires, creating a magnetic pull toward your ideal partner. Aligning your vibrational energy with that of your desired partner is essential for attraction. Cultivate positive emotions through gratitude, kindness, and joy to elevate your frequency. Engage in mindfulness practices such as meditation or journaling, enabling you to resonate with the energy of the relationship you wish to manifest. Taking inspired action is crucial for manifesting your crush. Engage actively in social situations, pursue hobbies, and attend events where your crush might be. Trust your intuition to guide you toward opportunities for connection. This proactive approach increases your chances of creating meaningful interactions that foster attraction. Trusting the process of manifestation is vital for attracting your crush. Patience allows the universe to align your desires with opportunities. Stay open and receptive, as connections may unfold in unexpected ways. Embrace each moment, maintaining faith that your efforts will bring the romantic relationship you seek.